Richard, I see you got the HG2500 air treatment system here. Great looking unit. We're gonna have a lot of customers calling, asking questions about maintenance, and can you go through this with me and show me exactly what I need to tell them to do?
Sure.
Okay.
Basically, it's pretty simple. Air passes through the machine, okay? There's a filter on the front and the back. About every 60 days, you need to change the carbon filters. What you want to do is make sure the machine's unplugged from the power.
Okay.
Get yourself a piece of foam or a pad to stand it on, okay? Stand it vertically on that. There's a screw on either side that you need to undo.
Just one on each side?
One on each side, yeah.
Okay.
And when you got these screws out,
Just a Phillips screwdriver?
there's a Phillips number 2 screwdriver you're
Okay.
going to be using.
I'll just take this top one off.
You just lift this off gently.
Oh, okay. This is all pretty easy.
Yep, there's your filter right here,
Oh, yeah.
and the filter screen behind it.
Oh, and that's what you replace, okay.
Basically,
Does that need to be cleaned too?
Yeah, you just dust that off because it's
Okay.
going to get some trapped dust on it.
Okay.
Replace it and replace your filter pad. They come in a kit with 12 filters in.
Okay. And these can't be cleaned, you can't reuse those?
You can't reuse
Okay,
those.
just throw it away
you
and put
just
them
throw
in.
it away in the garbage. It's, you know,
Okay.
you can dispose of it like that, and you replace it in the reverse order. Put
Oh.
in the screws back in,
And that's it?
and that's as simple as it is. You do follow the same procedure on the other end of the machine, and away you go.